morning, my dear lovely children. I hope you all are in good health and everyone is safe at your place. Today we will start with the chapter number 17 of your English grammar book, that is was, were. Students, today we have to do the chapter number 17, that is was, were. Let us understand what are these verbs was and were. Students, was and were are the past form of is, am, are. They are the past form of is, am, are. These are used for the work which has already been done, which is already finished. For that work we use these verbs was and were. Let us understand it more further with the help of this PDF. Was and were tell us how something was before. These verbs are used to denote the action which has already been done in past. Now what does it mean? I already told you that was and were are used when the work has already been finished. It means the work which has been done in past. Past means that is yesterday or it has been gone. That is past. Was, we use was to talk about one person or thing. Means a singular noun. Was is used with a singular noun. Singular means it can be one person, one place or one thing. Were, we use were to talk about more than one person or thing. Means with a plural noun. In plural we count two or more than two things. It can be two persons, three persons or so on. We use were with it with a plural noun. Example, she was in Delhi. She was in Delhi. Can you see this was? I have used was with she because she means one girl. She means one girl. That's why I have used the verb was. She was in Delhi. Next, I was late for school. I was late for school. See, I am also one. That's why I have used was because I am a singular noun. I will use was. I was late for school. It means we are talking about past. I was late for school. That means not now. I am not late for school today. No, it means one time I was late for school. The fruits were in the ball. The fruits were in the ball. Now that's why I have used were. The fruits were in the ball. Now look at this table, students. You have to look at this table. Where we use was, you have to learn it with I, he, she, it, name of a person. I repeat again with I, he, she, it, name of a person. Name of a person, example, Anmol. You can take one name or one thing. At that time we will use was. And where we use were with we, you, they and names of more than one person. Names of more than one person. For example, Bhavya and Mokshi. When in a sentence you found two names, that time you will use the verb were. W-E-R-E, were. Let us start with the first question which is there in your book on first page of this chapter. Let's get started. Circle the doing words which show what Ella did yesterday. You have to circle the doing words which show what Ella did yesterday. Yesterday means past. What she did in past, you have to circle. Which words are telling you that she has done this work in past. Yesterday, Ella was in the toy store with her mother. Now can you see was? Yes. Was is telling you that she was in the toy store with her mother. She was there. Not now. We are not talking about not now. No, not in the present. She was in the past in the toy store. So you will circle was. There were colorful cars and pretty dolls. Now again were. Were is telling you that there were colorful cars and pretty dolls. Ella was very happy. She was happy. She is not happy. She is not happy. She was happy. It means she was happy in the past. So you will circle was. Tomorrow is Ella's birthday. I want a pretty doll and a cake. She tells mother. Now no word is there which you have to circle. Only 3 words were there. Move on to the exercise which is there on page number 58, students. I hope firstly the concept of this was and were is clear to you. Was we are using with a singular noun and were we are using with a plural noun, which means 2 or more than 2 things. A exercise. Fill in the blanks with was or were. You have to fill it with was or were. First, he dashed a part of the football team. He dashed a part of the football team. Now he. I told you in that table on the first page that with he we have to use was because he is a singular noun. He can be any boy. And any boy name. It is only one boy. We are talking about one boy. So we have to use was. W-A-S, was. He was a part of the football team. Second, they dashed in Kolkata yesterday. They were in the Kolkata yesterday. There is a plural noun. They are plural in number. Third, we dashed at home all day. We. What we have to use with we, students? We were at home all day. We denotes a plural noun because they are more than 2. It can be 2 or more than 2. It dashed hot in the afternoon. It was hot in the afternoon. Students, learn that table with which words you have to use was and with which words you have to use were. Fifth, the baby dashed asleep. The baby, we are talking about one baby, not babies, only one baby. The baby was asleep. 6. Mita dashed not at home. Mita is one girl. Mita was not at home. 7. The toy dash broken. It is toy, not toys. The toy was broken. 8. My book dash with her. You tell now what will come. My book was with her. Right. I hope A exercise is clear to you, students. B exercise now. Rewrite the sentences correctly using was or were. You have to rewrite the sentence. Whenever it is coming in the question, rewrite the sentence. You have to write the complete sentence again. You have to correct it now in this exercise. You have to correct the sentences using was or were. Let's see. First part. Ray is 7 years old last year. Ray is 7 years old last year. They are talking about last year, but they are using is. Is it correct, students? No. A big no. Ray was 7 years old last year. We are talking about last year, not today. Not of present. We are talking about of the past tense. That was in past. Ray was 7 years old last year. So you will write the complete sentence again in front of this line. Second, Shreya were late. Shreya were late. Students, can you see? Shreya is the name of one girl only. And in this line they have written were. Shreya were. Is it correct? No. Shreya was late. You will write Shreya was late. 2 sentences I have written complete. Next 3 students you have to write complete. I have just written the answers. Mihir were in a cinema hall. Mihir were in a cinema hall. Mihir is a one boy name. So we will use was and we will correct it and rewrite the complete sentence, students. Mihir was in a cinema hall. 4th, they was at the park. They means one person? No. They means it is a plural noun that it can be 2 or more than 2 persons. They were at the park. 5th, I were in an apple orchard. It is also wrong. I was in an apple orchard. So students, I hope this back exercise is clear to you. Complete it very nicely, and if any doubt is left, you can contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.